Well, we are coming to a close. Today is December 31st of 2022. And boy, has this year gone by fast, right? I'd imagine maybe you think the same too, or maybe it's been a long year for you. For me, it's been a frustrating one, but the older I get, the faster these years go by, especially when you have kids. If you have kids, maybe you understand what I'm talking about, but good gosh, they grow up super fast, right? So this year's been a little bit of a challenge. As I've said in previous years, being able to make the videos and share the little bit of knowledge that I have with others has actually helped me in a weird way. So thank you for giving me the opportunity to let me, make these videos and for you to keep consuming them. Now, the videos haven't come without their own challenges, but as I'm navigating these, I guess they're really first world problems, right? As I'm navigating these first world problems, I can't help but reflect on how fortunate I am to be able to get overwhelmed with these silly issues, right? You know, when I make my videos and I have a set schedule and I put myself, nobody makes me make 2 videos a week or 1 video a week or 3 videos a week like I used to. Nobody does that except for myself. So it's my own doing. But the idea that I have the opportunity to do this has made me grateful, if that makes any sense. There's so many other people that have problems much bigger than mine. So, this entire year as I ran into challenges, that's kind of what's helped me to get through things. When I had a frustrating week or I had a frustrating job, I just start to think, man, you know what? But I have the opportunity to be in this situation when there's many other people that are in much far worse situations than I've ever been in. So I am thankful for my petty first world problems. So as this year's coming to a close, I want to pay it forward in a way, of course, in my own true fashion. I don't like popular trends. I don't like to do what everybody else is doing. And no offense and nothing against the people that follow the popular trends and do the popular trendy videos and different things like that. It's just not my style, okay? So I contacted my good friends at TrueTechTools.com and basically said, I want to give some of my money away. Would you guys be interested in giving some of yours away? Okay. And of course they said yes. So this is the 3rd year we've done this. And it's actually kind of fun. And I constantly have to come up with different ways to figure this out. Okay. So what I did was, I set a personal budget at the beginning of the year, and I put aside throughout the year $6,000 of my own money, okay? Just slowly putting a little bit away. And then I hit True Tech Tools up, and they said they wanted to be part of it, so they went ahead and gave $2,000 of their money to it. So altogether, we have $8,000, and what I decided to do was to buy TrueTechTools.com digital gift cards. It's the easiest way when you're giving things out online just to give a digital gift card, okay? So we have 20 $400 digital gift cards to give away. And again, of course, I like to do things my own way, right? So I really started to reflect on when I became a content creator and when I started uploading videos on YouTube. Now, when I started doing this, there was no goal of I didn't look 10 years down the line and say, this is where I wanted to be. I just literally started making videos for my own employees as a training aid. And then it just grew a following and grew traction. And then it was like, hey, people started watching. And then I started making a few dollars from YouTube. And, I had the opportunity and I was fortunate enough to start working with some amazing partners with the channel. And it just became a thing that I never even planned on, okay? Never planned on any of this. But regardless, I really, really remember how difficult it was when I first started the channel, okay? And it was a struggle to get, once people started following and then you really started to think, hey, maybe I can make something of this. Then I started realizing, hey, you know what? We need to start getting more subscribers, more followers, more views, and all this different stuff. And it was really a struggle navigating through all of that. It's now been, I think, officially 5 years of doing this. And again, I'm so very thankful for all of you that watch my content and consume it. So this year, what I wanted to do was something different. With that in mind of how difficult it was, I found 9 content creators. Some of them are my friends. Some of them are people that I just recently started following on social media. And I wanted to make them part of this end of the year giveaway. Okay. So these 9 content creators, I messaged them, started, and again, some of them are my friends, some of them I talked to for the first time, and I said, hey, would you have any interest in being part of my end of the year giveaway? I expected nothing from them other than for them to say yes, okay? If they agreed to this and they said yes, then what I decided to do was I told them I would give them one of my gift cards to give away on their platforms, and I would help to promote their channel. So you that are watching this, I'm going to name 9 content creators, and each of them is going to get a gift card to give away. So I don't care how they pick you. I don't care what their criteria is, if they make a video, if they just do a post. I don't care. I have no expectations. I just want to help promote other content creators, okay? So once they all agreed to it and they said, yeah, sure, we'd love to do that, I let them know that I would be providing them the gift card, okay? But I decided to one-up it a little bit. And I decided that I would also give those content creators a gift card to keep for themselves. The hope is that maybe they buy a tool and they can make some content with it, and it can help to grow their channel and their platform again. Okay, so for each of the 9 content creators, I'm going to give them 2 gift cards. One is to keep for themselves, and one is to give away to one of you that are watching this. I'm going to list all their information in the show notes. So you can go follow their content. And again, I encourage you all to follow them, subscribe to them, interact, listen to them. Some of them are a podcast. Some of them are videos. Some of them, they're on all different social media platforms. So I encourage all of you to start following them and interacting with them. Each one of them has a different style of content creation. They're not like me. They're all different. Okay. Some of them are my friends. Some of them are not. I just liked something about their content, okay? Some of them are super educational. Some of them are more entertainment, and that's okay. I like all different types of content, okay? So, again, I want to say thank you to all of you, okay? And I want you all to have all different opportunities to win one of these gift cards. So start following all these 9 content creators, okay? So I'm going to start listing them really quick. So we have Brett Wetzel from the Advanced Refrigeration Podcast. Brett is a good friend of mine. I really like the style of content that he creates. He does supermarket style videos. He does supermarket podcasts, and he occasionally does videos too. He also does it with his buddy, Kevin Compass, okay? Commercial Kitchen Chronicles, my buddy Pat Finley. Pat makes, he does restaurant refrigeration and hot side work. So that's a little bit of a twist, okay? So, but Pat is really just starting his content creation channel, and he's really trying to start growing his channel and trying to get traction. So I'm hoping that this maybe gets him 1 or 2 subscribers or followers, okay? Of course, Bill, Adam, and Joe, my probably my best friends. They are my fake internet friends, right? But I have met some of them, although I've never met Joe. Joe is something strange about Joe. If you guys don't know who they are, definitely go check out the HVAC Overtime channel. They're my good friends. We do shows on Friday nights, and it's just a lot of fun, okay? So HVACR Survival, my buddy Rick. Okay, Rick and I have been making content together for a very long time. We both reached out to each other early in our, about 3-4 years ago, started following each other, and Rick's a really cool dude, makes content too. So definitely check out HVACR Survival, okay? Hughesman HVAC. Now, Ryan, I don't know Ryan very well. We've interacted a little bit on social media. We had the opportunity to meet each other at the HVAC Tactical Awards last year in Las Vegas, so that was fun. Ryan is a cool dude, so Ryan is also going to be part of this. Reliable HVACR, Adrian. Now, there's a funny story that I've never met Adrian, but we were supposed to meet, but then his flight got delayed or canceled or something, and he had to rebook a flight. So he was trying to come to AHR in Vegas last year, and it just didn't work out. And we kept missing each other, but I'm hoping that we get to meet each other at the AHR trade show this year. So all together. Oh, and then last but not least, Jason Latimer. Jason is a new person that I found. I started following him on social media. So you definitely want to follow Jason Latimer too. Okay. Jason has some great content. So Advanced Refrigeration Podcast, Commercial Kitchen Chronicles, HVAC Overtime Show, HVACR Survival, Hughesman HVAC, and Reliable HVACR, and Jason Latimer. You want to follow and interact with all those creators. because each one of them is going to get a gift card to give away to one of you. Okay. Now, again, the twist, once they signed up, they didn't know. I'm also going to give each one of them a gift card to keep for themselves. Okay. So with that being said, I encourage all of you to go follow them. There'll be links to all their content in the show notes of this video. Now, I still have 2 gift cards left, and I wanted to give one of each of those gift cards to one of my followers, okay? Or to, 2 of the followers, I should say. So I personally picked George Robles. Okay, George, you are a follower of mine. You've been interacting on my content a lot lately, and it's been really cool to see your messages and your comments. So thank you very much. And I am giving you a $400 gift card to keep for yourself. Okay. And Adam Densmore. Adam, again, same thing. You are a follower of mine. I randomly picked you. You've been following me for a while. I recently saw that you purchased some merch from me, and I just really appreciate that. So thank you very much. Okay, so that is my 20 gift cards right there. You guys all have an opportunity to win one of those gift cards from the 9 content creators that I also mentioned. So definitely check them out. Now, I can't help but acknowledge my partners that have given me the opportunity to, be able to do this kind of stuff. Okay. Now, of course, True Tech Tools, you guys sponsored this video. You guys donated $2,000 to the project. Thank you so very much. I really do appreciate you. TrueTechTools.com. True Tech Tools is a great website. I buy tools from there, actually have an affiliate program set up with them. So when you guys are purchasing, if any of you that wins the tools from any of the content creators, do me a favor and use my offer code BIGPICTURE, one word. You can get an 8% discount on majority of the items on their website, and I get a small commission, which also affords me the ability to be able to do these kind of giveaways. Okay, so definitely if you guys are purchasing anything from TrueTechTools.com, use my offer code BIGPICTURE, one word. And again, you'll get an 8% discount, and then I get a small commission from that. So it's a great opportunity, and thank you very much. Now, I also have to acknowledge my partners, Sporlin. Sporlin has been a partner with me for probably 4 years now. Sporlin is a great company. Use their products for my entire career. I was taught at a young age how great their products were by my dad, and it was so awesome when I was given the opportunity to be able to be a partner with them. Okay, so Sporlin is a great company. The next one is Refrigeration Technologies. Again, Refrigeration Technologies, John and Mike Pastorello. Great guys, really cool people. They're local to me. John Pastorello is one of the kindest people that I know. He's always encouraging me, messaging me, really nice guy, and they make great products, environmentally, well, I guess environmentally safe. There's some things that maybe, they just make good, awesome products, and they are a great company. They make chemicals. They help us to do our jobs, to maintain our equipment, ice machine cleaners, Nylog, condenser coil cleaners, just great stuff. Okay. Heatcraft Refrigeration, they're a new partner with my channel. They've been great throughout this year. Been having fun because I got to change things up and make my my podcast video style interview videos that I've been doing, and we still have 2 more of those coming, so stay tuned. But Heatcraft Refrigeration Products, they're a great company. And Fieldpiece Instruments. Fieldpiece has been a great tool manufacturer. I've used their products again for a very long time. I've done a lot of little projects with them throughout the year, and I hopefully look forward to working with all of them in the upcoming year. So thank you to everybody. I appreciate your patience when I go through my own little issues where I stop posting videos for a week and, get off schedule, get back on schedule. I can't help but say thank you to all of you. I really do appreciate you. And I'm going to leave you with some closing words is remember that you need to be kind to one another. There's so much craziness going on in the world these days. And, so many people are willing to let go of friends simply because they don't share the same beliefs or have a different opinion. Man, that's a bummer that people are willing to do that. So remember that you never know what someone else is going through, right? And you don't have to hate someone just because they don't believe the exact same thing as you. It's okay to be friends with someone you don't completely align with. It's okay to interact with people that don't completely believe like you. That's what makes this country that we live in, the United States, so great, is that you have the ability to be different from other people. So remember to be kind to one another, because we just need more kindness. Okay, so thank you so very much. I really do appreciate you, and hopefully we'll catch you on the next one.